Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Spotify on your Android. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So first of all, make sure that you have the Google Play Store on your Android device. And here it is. So normally, you have to open it first and log in with your Gmail account. And after then, you will see an interface like this. So normally, if you click on this search button, you will see an interface like this. Normally, you have to type on the search bar Spotify. And after then, you will see an interface like this. Click here and then click on this install button. Then the app is going to be installed on your device. And that's it. You have successfully installed Spotify on your Android device without any kind of problem. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to install Spotify on your Android device. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.